Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking care of yourselves. Friends, today I'll be sharing a very good recipe. One of my subscriber wanted me to make some coffee, so here it is for you, Karina, and I hope you enjoy it. And somebody wanted to know how I just grew the spring onions. I'll be showing you a clip of that also. I hope you all enjoy this clip and enjoy the coffee. And the weather is really cold again, but it's not in anything minus degrees. It is just in good temperatures like 8, 7 and 8 and 9. So I'm very happy. So it's a very good temperature. So let's start making the coffee. So here I've taken 3 cups of milk, and one of my Instagram follower had asked me how do I make coffee. So this is for you, Karina. So here I add 3 spoons of sugar. So 2, 3. So Karina, now the milk is really warm. So I'm just going to take very little milk, like say like quarter cup. Just so much. Yeah, it's quarter cup. Karina, I'm going to take brew instant coffee. This is from the Indian stores. So Karina, I'll be taking 1 spoon of coffee. Actually, we'll be needing more than that. So it's 1 spoon. It is 2 spoon. It actually fell off a lot, so I'm pouring it again inside. It became a nice joke. And Karina, I'll be constantly whipping it because you need to make it too creamy. And as you know, the coffee just fell by mistake and I didn't put so much. I might have only put 1.5, and it looks like this now in this color. But once our milk boils off, I'm going to add this in our coffee in the pan. But I'll be whisking it very nicely. See Karina, all the bubbles formed up and it's looking so foamy and nice. You can actually, if you have a whisk, I don't know where I kept my whisk, so just see the amount of foam it's got. It's just like all the foamy. It is so good, and the coffee should always be foamy. It looks so good. See, so many bubbles have become so thick. So it should come into this consistency. And now we'll just be adding all this coffee into this milk and see how light it has become. But see the color of the cup, it is so dark. But we'll be adding all the coffee decoction which we had made here. See how nice it looks now. So Karina, we can keep doing this to the coffee, and doing it like this, it will become more foamy, and you need to do it really from the top. See how nice it's becoming. This is the exact coffee which we get in India, and it is called filter coffee. So enjoy the sip of the coffee. Yum, yum, yum. So hot and so nice when you cup your hands like this with your hands. You feel so good in this cold weather. And now that the temperatures are falling, you go out, you always need to have a hot beverage. So coffee is one good thing. Enjoy. So now we'll have Royal Danish butter cookies. So got it from where, I don't know, because this was given by my friend. But I'm sure you get this in Walmart. So enjoy. We'll have this butter cookies. And here are the cookies. Here is the chai. We'll be enjoying. So it's so good actually. It's very yum. I'm enjoying, and the coffee has come out so good. Here I am enjoying my coffee and my cookies. Yum. So here's the onions which grew back again. So I'm so happy that every day my onions are growing. Spring onions, I'm so happy. See my spring onions, and I can use the spring onions in another dish. So it'll be every day I'll have spring onions in my diet. It looks like LOL. So it's not a joke actually, but I'm so happy that I got some spring onions every day. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and it was a short video today. So it's getting a little busy and hectier, and I'm really waiting when things will get normal, and hope everything becomes normal and everybody can travel all over the world. So hope for the best and see you all later. And if you have liked my video today, please like it, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.